Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a remote so you can easily control your Xbox. So you can use the Xbox application. Just get this from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. So let's go to Xbox right here and sign in with your email address and password associated with your Xbox account. And then you should be able to get this application opened up. I'm going to flip it upright. And once you are signed in, simply select the little console symbol right here, right next to notifications. And it's going to open up this page where we have remote play on this device, open remote control, manage console and games. So let's go to open remote control. And you can see the Y button, the X button. If you tap in the middle, that's A, B. And you can kind of move around the screen if you just move around in this area. That is going to be like a thumbstick. You have these buttons up here, the Xbox button. And then we can go to the three little dots to turn off, switch console, or use the D-pad layout. Then we have a keyboard down here, rewind, pause, forward, and then the volume options. We can go up and down, or we can mute the audio. And we can go back if we press the button up here, and we can go back to that application at any point in time. And this makes it very easy to control your Xbox when you're just sitting on the couch. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.